I'm saying, wake that nigga up. Did it come with stickers though? Hell yeah! What's good with you boys? Dre Lamar back at it with another one, man. If this your first time coming to the channel, you know I need you to smash that like and hit the subscribe, because today I'm gonna be refreshing the headlights on the 430, as you see behind me. But before I do that, man, I got some sad news for y'all, man. 430 has fallen victim to the low life. Look at my bumper, y'all. Ugh. Yeah, man, you know how you pull up on one of them curb things, man? I went to back up and it just ripped all this out. So now I'm missing the wheel liner. And I tore all of this. All thanks to BC coilovers. So yeah, that's the sad news about the 430. He's injured. Gotta repair the bumper. But on a positive note, we're gonna shine up these headlights and bring them back to new, man. So go ahead, smash that like and hit the subscribe. Sorry I'm sad, man. This is my baby, man. But you know me, I'm gonna take care of it. I'm gonna figure it out. So let's get into this content. So last time I attempted to do this on the Mustang, it didn't exactly come out the way I wanted it to, and I think it's because I didn't have a drill and I was just kind of sandpapering it down and it didn't give me the clarity I was looking for. So today, I picked up a 3M kit. Supposed to take it from that to that. So this is what we're working with. Ugh. Yeah, these are looking pretty awful. I had brought them back to life when I first got it, but it's been about a year and they re-yellowed. So let's see if this little 3M kit works. Comes with the pads and everything. So you will progress through the pads from 500 to 800 to 3000, and then hit it with the clear coat at the end. The whole time you're drilling, make sure you got your Milwaukee. But the whole time you're drilling, you want to keep. I got some water in this bottle, so you go ahead, lubricate it, and drill it out. So I'm gonna go ahead, set the tripod up so y'all can see what I'm doing. Let's get into it. All you basically doing is just taking this layer of yellow off the clear coat. As you can see, that's the 800 grit. Finished up both sides. Here we go. Woo. Come on now. I definitely have to recommend the 3M kit. It looks a whole lot better. Damn near perfect. I mean, it could be like a little bit clearer if I'm just really nitpicking, but y'all see it. No yellow, no more all that crud that was on it. Definitely recommend. So if you want to renew your headlights, get you one of them 3M kits. Bring you back how you looking like that. Sorry if the light ain't the greatest, but I'm shooting this off the phone. So thank you guys for watching the video, man. If you enjoyed the content, you know, as usual, smash the like, hit the subscribe, and